Okay, so let's get started. So today we'll be covering some topics such as adding pw.c file and adding pwd to x86 OS, and we'll also be looking through the just a second and cd command also will be seen. So this is going to be a short session, I think, and most of the part would seem basic. So start. Okay. So first thing we'll be going to system and PWD. So their first task is to write the pwd.c file. So pwd stands for present working directory. So it is used to we step one would be us creating a file name pwd.c, which we can use two commands which are nano and we can also say that not nano, we'll be using vi. So we should be basically easier, and we have to use the code which is given below. So first of all, we will be using all of these header files, and then void help will be, as you can see, this is a special printf syntax, and usage, and these are all the options. So we'll just be showing you the basic syntax. Okay, so we can use the man command, which I think stands for manual. Man, if I say ls, as you remember, is the list command. So ls is the command name, and the description is the list information about the files. The current directory by default sorts enters alphabetically if none, and these are all the options given for ls. Okay. Do not ignore entries starting with dot slash capital A. Do not list imply dot and dot dot. That means dot represents the present working directory and dot dot represents the previous, that means parent directory. Okay? మన ఈ డైరెక్టరీ కాకుండా మన ముందు డైరెక్టరీ కూడా చూపిస్తుంది డాట్ డాట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు. సో దట్స్ వన్ థింగ్, అండ్ these are all some of the options. సో ఎలా వాడతాం అనేది ఇప్పుడు చూస్తాం. సో ls, which is ఇది మనకి మన నార్మల్ ls హైఫన్ ఎల్. ఇప్పుడు ఇలా మనం హైఫన్ ఎల్ ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి మనకి ఇలా వచ్చింది, అది ls hyphen I. You got the inodes. Inodes are basically used to identify the directories and files. Okay, so ఇలా వాడతాం ఆప్షన్స్ అనేవి. సో ఫస్ట్ మనము x86 డైరెక్టరీలో కదా cd x86 1. సో అగైన్ ls, అన్ని ఫైల్స్ మనకి బట్. సో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, మన ఫస్ట్ టాస్క్ pwd.c అనే ఒక ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. pwd.c text editor open and I to insert, and I will be just pasting all of this there, and void help. There నేను ఈ printer statements రాస్తాను. Usage, pwd, and pwd options, and display address even if there are sysmix and all this. Actually these are not required, but for just for time's sake we'll be just using them. uh, these are not needed, so I'm just copy pasting now for now. And So these are basically some extra snippets of the code which we won't be needing much. So ఇది మన అసలైన code, like what we need to concentrate on. So int main, int argc, which is the argument count, argv, which are the arguments. So char cwd 100, ఇది బఫర్ మనకి ఎప్పుడన్నా ఒక ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ ఫైల్స్ ని రీడ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే బఫర్ మెకానిజం వాడతాం. సో అండ్ మనకి టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ యూస్ ఉంటాయి విచ్ ఆర్ లాజికల్ అండ్ ఫిజికల్. దాన్ని మనం విల్ బి చేంజింగ్ త్రూ అవుట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఎర్రర్ అనేది జస్ట్ మనం పెట్టుకున్న ఫైల్ డిస్క్రిప్టర్ నేమ్. ఓపెన్ అనేది లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం ఏం చెప్పాం, ఓపెన్ అనేది మనకు ఒక ఫైల్ డిస్క్రిప్టర్ వాల్యూ ఇస్తుంది అండ్ దట్ ఫైల్ డిస్క్రిప్టర్ వాల్యూ అనేది మనం ఈఆర్ఆర్ అనే వేరియబుల్ లో పెట్టుకుంటాం. సో ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ మనకి ఫస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ డాష్ వచ్చిందంటే యాజ్ యూ కెన్ రిమెంబర్ ఎల్ఎస్ హైఫన్ ఎల్, డాష్ డాష్ అంటే హైఫన్. హైఫన్ వస్తే విల్ బి యూజింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్. ఈ ఆప్షన్ వస్తే ఇది చేయాలి, ఈ ఆప్షన్ వస్తే ఇలా, లైక్ ఇలా చేసాం. ఓకే, సో అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఈఆర్ఆర్ ఇస్ లెస్ దెన్ 0, లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో అని చెప్పా కదా, లైక్ ఫైల్ డిస్క్రిప్టర్ వాల్యూ -1 వస్తే నాకు ఎర్రర్, ఇది ఎర్రర్ కండిషన్. నెక్స్ట్ రెడ్ అని ఒక వేరియబుల్ రీడ్ చేసుకోవడానికి వాడాము. ఇఫ్ లెస్ దెన్ 0 దెన్ ఎర్రర్. 2 represents standard error and 1 represents write, 0 represents read. So we'll be closing that file descriptor here. And basically ఇది ఏం జరిగినా మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ any of this is true, will be printing the current working directory and will be exiting the process. So the program is as simple as that, nothing complex. So let's start with C comma dash star RP. CWD, లేకపోతే we can use buffer of 100 logical equals to 0, comma physical equals to 1. Okay, so int file descriptor equals to open on slash, which stands for root directory, m.pwd. This is the temporary information where we'll be storing the current working directory o_read only. We'll be reading that temporary file. So if rv of 1 0, just a minute, is double equals to hyphen, then I'll just be saying if L, then logical B. So logical will be 1, physical will be 0. If hyphen B, then physical will be 1. So if strcmp of rv of 1 comma string of L is double equals to 0, then logical equals to 1, physical equals to 0. If strcmp of rv of 1 comma hyphen v, which stands for physical, is double equals to 0, then physical equals to 1, and then help. If strcmp of rv of 1 comma double hyphen h help, so we'll be writing help is double equals to 0, then help, which will call our function there. If strcmp of rv of 1 comma version.
కొంచెం ఫాంట్ సైజ్ పెంచరా?
So, and appearance. Version double equals to 0. Will be in the this second. So that's one. Else printf one PWD invalid option. So మనము ఈ ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఏ ఒక్క ఆప్షన్ కాకపోయినా will be like valid option కాదు అని చెప్పేస్తున్నాం. Just a minute. I think there's a small modification to it. So I think it's better to write else if else if else if else. So printf one and just a minute. I think it's safe to say this is an error. So printf 2 comma pwd invalid option. Just the printf lo ఉండదంట పట్టించుకోకండి because we are trying to write it as close to as the system what system shows us. Invalid option just అక్కడితో ఆగదు. So valid option and string కూడా పెడతాం percentages which will show our current option. Given option comma rb. Okay. So that's one. So error వస్తే మనం exit చేసేస్తాం. So if అక్కడితో అయిపోయింది and then if file descriptor less than 0 printf 2 comma cannot open the file అది అయిపోయింది and ఇక్కడ error వస్తే will be exiting our process. read var is equal to read of file descriptor comma buffer comma size of buffer. This is the syntax for read. So nothing. Read val is less than 0 then printf 2 comma cannot read the file exit. So we'll be closing the file descriptor. So if logical double equals to 1 logical double equals to 0 or physical double equals to 0 sorry 1 printf 1 comma percentages comma percentages backslash n to be clear buffer and after that we'll just exit our code. This is the common step in x physics. So I think that's our book. So I'll just try to compile it. ccpwd.c, which will say all are warning, so not much error. So I'll be modifying the make file as we know, va make file. So I'll be adding pwd backslash extras wd.c. So make pm, so make cumulator LX. So it's all running as of now. So started. So file successful we have added our pwd. So I'll make pwd cannot open file. So there's some error. So pwd hyphen help. So this is my help page. So I think there's some wrong with the file pwd. So just a minute, I'll check my pwd.c. So cannot read file. Just a second, I'll check that again. pwd. So cannot open the file. So there's a mistake in opening the file. So I'll get stuck here. So let's check my code once. So I think there's something wrong here. temp.pwd, I think I've given it right. I think it's all okay. Got it. So we cannot open the file because this is not a well-defined thing. So not open it because there's nothing in it, as this is a clean image of x86, and we don't, as of now, we don't have much knowledge about it. So we'll be writing a slash with backslash and one. I think that's the whole purpose here, and this may not be that. So we'll be running make cumulative and pwd will be getting a slash because this is not a well-defined method and can get a directory like this. We'll obviously be getting an error. So slash indicates root directory which we are presently. Okay. So that's one program and we'll discuss it later. And for and we'll be doing the cd command. CD. So it's very quite simple program, I guess. So let's start with cd control x. So ls, we are already having a cd program, I think. cd.c, think no. So let's just why mess with the inbuilt. So we'll create find cd.c hash include types dot h hash include users user.h hash include stack.h int name rc comma char star r b If R and C is less than 2, we'll be printing an error. Printf 2 comma error insufficient arguments given. So that will be our error and we'll be exiting the. So if, let's just for simplicity purpose, and if some value is equal to CSDIR R D of 1, if value just a minute. I think we can write like this. Not valid. Will be exiting. Else will be exiting. We will see. Uh, as a program is to end anyways. So will be cc my cd.c and make accumulator elements. So sorry guys, but to add it to make file. Vi make file mine cd.c mine cd. This is a pretty easy section, I think. So ls will be seeing my cd. We'll be creating a new directory mkdir new dir. Yeah, I think it's done. Where's my, yeah, here's my new dir. So I can navigate to it. Uh, my cd dir ls cd ought to be working. Else cd new dir. Yeah, x is equal ls failed. So control x, I think. Right. So let's make a modification here. Instead of writing this directly, I'll be saying value not equals to 0. That's what given. Mm, and here dear, and here, my dear. So my cd, my, I think it must be working, but there's something wrong with it. I think it's working, but as we have said before, it may be not well defined. Okay, got an idea. Let's just copy the code and see if it works. So this is the ball that see my cd.c. Yeah, it's all green, make make MKDA, UDA, less we find new DA and find CD, sorry, find CD, DA. Yeah, guys, there's something wrong with the code given. Think must be working, but as we know, CD is basically very complicated. So it's just a basic simple version which we are seeing. So that's all I think. Just a minute. I think there's yeah, that's all. CD.c. It's something wrong.